Now in this video, we're going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. A frustum of a pentagonal pyramid, smaller base side 16 mm and bigger top face side 32 mm and height 40 mm is resting on HP on its smaller base with one of its base sides parallel to VP. Draw the projections of the frustum and develop the lateral surfaces of it. So to do that, first we'll go for the SolidEdge screen. So this is the default screen of A2 in SolidEdge. So I want to select A4 because I want to take the printout in A4. So to do that, first I will go for the sheet 1 on the lower left corner, then right click on sheet setup. So the background sheet is A2, so you make it A4 now. Then you don't have to have the show background. No, I don't want. Then go to OK. The sheet will going to shrink from A2 to A4, but the display is still set for A2 only. So now I will fit it for A4 now. Now I need to type the question. So to do that, so first I will go for, before writing the question, make sure that the IntelliSketch endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled, and all other options you make it disabled. Then to type the text, you go to the text, and here the SolidEdge you take Times New Roman, okay, and take the font size as 4 for typing the text. So here a frustum of pentagonal pyramid, so you take a frustum of a pentagonal pyramid smaller base side 16 mm comma smaller base side 16 mm and bigger top face side and bigger top face sides 32 mm and height 40 mm 40 mm is resting on HP, is resting on HP on its smaller base, comma, with one of its base sides, parallel to VP. Draw the projections. Of the frustum and develop the lateral surface of it, okay, right click, then you go to move, select this and move it wherever you want. Now you come down to zoom window, take this to the screen. So first you need to take the bigger top face of 32 mm. So go to line, take 1 point, take 32, angle is 0. So here Control Z. So go to line. First you take 0.05 line width. So take this 32, angle is 0. Then 32, angle is 72. Then 32, angle is 144. Then 32, angle is 216. Then 32, angle is 288. This is one side. Similarly, you take one more. Then take 16, angle is 0. Then 16, angle is 72. Then 16, angle is 144. Then 16, angle is 216. Then 16, angle is 288. Okay. Now we will find out the center. So to find out the center, you go to midpoint, select this, go to line, opposite midpoint of this edge. Similarly, end of this to midpoint of this. So go to trim corner between these two. Okay. So similarly, you take a line end of this to midpoint of this. Similarly, end of this to midpoint of this. So go to line, take end point of this to midpoint of this. Then go to end and midpoint of this line. So go to trim corner between these two. Now you go to move, select these 3, 4, 5 lines, take end point of this to end point of this. Then go to select, remove this. Now I want to name them. So go to line, take end point to this end point, then end point to this end point, from end point to this end point. Okay. Now you go to trim, split this line till here. Okay. Split this line till here. Now you go to the entire thing, mirror this with reference to this. So don't copy, you select this now. Okay. Then you go to fit, then go to move, select this entire drawing. Okay. Go to move, select this entire drawing, take this inside. Okay. Now you go to line, select some this point with smaller base and the height is 40. Go to offset, take the distance as 40, select this and offset it. So go to line, take end point of this to here, then you take this till 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 here. Okay. And this surface you take it, extend to next, this center line. And now you go to trim these two and this on this side. Oh, this is the smaller base side. Now you go to line, take a end point, then you take the end point of this. Similarly on this side. Okay. Similarly on this side. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window. Then you go to trim these two, this one and this one. So go to line, take end point of this to end point of this. Similarly these two, similarly between these two, similarly between these two. Now when you extend this line, it goes, suppose if you don't have this, extend this, so the point will be reaching at this line. Okay. Okay now. Now you go to split this line, split this line till here. Now you split this line till here. Now you go to split this line till here. Now you go to shift, select all these lines. Okay. And you make this as 0.5. This is the top, that is the front view. Go to fit, then come down to zoom window. Here you go to select. Okay. Select this. Okay. You select this. Select this inner surface and also this. Make this as 0.5. Okay. Now we want to name them. So to do that, I will go for a text. Here I will type a small letter A, B, C, D, E, and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it is O, and on the bottom side we will have O1. Okay. So now you go to move, select this and you keep it here, A, then you take B, then you take C, then you take D, then you take E, then you take 5, then you take 4, then you take 1, you take 2, 3, O1, O. Okay, then come down to fit. Now you go to line command, draw a line from end point. Then similarly from here you take end point. So go to text. So here put the caps lock on, type capital X. Here it is capital Y. Here it is VP. Here it is HP. Okay. So here you name them A dash. Then we have B dash. Then we have C dash. Then you have D dash in bracket, because that is not visible. I'm sorry, no, it is visible because it is open, so you need not to worry about D. When it is in the front view, it is not visible. Yes, D dash. Then you have E dash. Then you have O dash in bracket. Okay. Then we have 1 dash. Here it is 2 dash. Here it is 3 dash. Here it is 4 dash in bracket. And here it is 5 dash in bracket. Okay. Then here it is O1 dash in O1 dash. Yes, it is O1 dash. Of course, that is not. It's imaginary. It will not be there. But no, O1 dash, it will be visible. Okay. Then you go to zoom window, bring it. So you go to move, select this A, E, B dash, then it is O dash, D dash, C dash, then 1 dash, here it is 2 dash, here it is 3 dash, here it is 4 dash, here it is 5 dash, VP, X, HP, Y. So now you go to select by holding the shift key. You select these two lines, make it 0.13. Now you go to format, select ISO, go to general, select black in all this. Okay, go to text, make it Times New Roman. Font size, you take it as 3. Go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1. Okay, okay, apply. So then you go to distance between this line and this, you will go to get it as 40 mm. Okay, now I need to find the true length. Why I need to find the true length? Because none of the slant edges are parallel to VP. So now you go to line, draw one horizontal line, then you go to circle, take end point of this to the end point of this. Now you go for a trim this line and this line and this line. Then go to select this and remove it. So go to line, take end point and draw a horizontal line. Then go to zoom window, bring it nearer. So again you go to line, take the end point of this and draw a horizontal line. Okay, sorry. Go to line, take the end point and draw the inclined line. Sorry, vertical line. So go to trim this line till here and this line till here. Then go to zoom window, then go to line. So this will be the actual true length of that line. Okay. So here go to move, select O1 dash and keep it here. So once you have this, now you go for dimension, select between these two, okay, which is 84.5. Similarly, once you have this true length here, you need to split this line till here, because that is the one which is very, very important. So you go to split this line till here. Okay. Then you go to select dimension between this line and this line, which is 42.25. Okay, you take this, come down to this 84.5, 42.25. Yes, correct. So this is how you will be able to find the true length of this. So once you do that, now you go for a line command. Draw one horizontal line of any length. So go to circle, take a endpoint, take it as the radius 84.5. Okay, then you take 32. So this dimension is 32. So select between these two, you will going to get 32, and select between these two, you will going to get 16. Okay, now I will go for a circle command. Take the intersection of this. Radius is 32. 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you go to split this circle till here, and then you split this circle here. Then go to select. Always circle is split in counterclockwise direction. This is the first one, and then again go to split this circle again here and here. Then go to select. Either you can use R command or you can use the circle command to draw this split. Whichever you feel it is comfortable, you can do that. So again you go to this and remove this. So again go to split, take this circle and split it here, then these two. Then you remove this. Okay, then go to split this circle here and this circle here. Go to select and remove it. Now you go to trim this portion. Okay, now you trim these two and this one. Okay, so it is totally removed. Now, okay, now you come down to zoom window. Now you go to split this till here, and you remove this arc also. Now you go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint, to this intersection, this endpoint. Similarly, endpoint of this to intersection of this to endpoint of this to intersection of this to endpoint of this. Again you take endpoint to this intersection to this endpoint, then you take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. The second one is 42.25. So go to circle, take endpoint of this to radius is 42 point, take 42.25. Then go to trim this portion, go to line, take endpoint to this intersection, to this intersection, to this intersection, to this intersection, to endpoint. Now you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, 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 and split this line till here. Now you go to select, take this and this and this, select all these 5 edges. Okay, select this, select this, select this, select this, and select this, and you make it 0.5. Okay, once you do that, now I want to name them. So how to name them? Go to move, select this, bring it somewhere here, and go to zoom window, take distance between, select between these two, 42.25. Again you select between these two, which will be 84.5. Again you select between these two, it will be 32. Again between these two, you are going to get 16. Okay, now you go for a text. So here you type caps lock on, type O, sorry. This will be, in this case it will be O1. Okay, so type O1 and here you type A, B, C, D, E and A. In this case it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this will going to be the development. So go to move, okay, then again come down to zoom window, then go to move, take A, here E, C, then B, then A. Here it is 1, 2, it is 3, 4, 5 and 1, and this is the development. If you want, you can keep it this as O itself. So here I will go to this and I will delete this line, text, and I will type here it is O. But if you do O here, then what happens? Here I need to change this. So you come down here. So here this you delete. Okay. You make this as O1 dash. In the front view it will be O1 dash. Okay. And here it will be O dash. These are the changes which you need to do it. Then then go to move O dash. Here you move, keep it O1 dash outside. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the Solid software. And when you do this, you can see I have not seen any solution, but without looking into the solution I am doing my drawings. So this is how you should be able to do it when during the examination also. If you do like this, then there is no need for you to write the solution in the sketchbook. So this is how you will be able to solve the problem of a frustum of a pentagonal pyramid by using the Solid software. Thank you.